Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn and Suites at Dollywood Lane. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. One of the best Pigeon Forge hotels offering affordable lodging is the Comfort Inn and Suites at Dollywood Lane. This Tennessee hotel is conveniently located approximately 1 mile from Dollywood Theme Park and Dollywood's Splash Country Water Adventure Park. Dolly Parton's Dixie Stampede, an entertaining dinner show everyone should experience, is located just across the street from this Pigeon Forge TN hotel. Visitors can enjoy finding bargains at one of the many nearby outlet malls and unique shopping villages. The hotel has a restaurant on the premises and 6 major fast food chains within walking distance. A public golf course is nearby and the trolley stops at the hotel's front door. The Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies and the city of Gatlinburg are just minutes away. Enjoy full-service features and amenities including free wireless high-speed internet access, free coffee, free weekday newspaper and an indoor pool and hot tub. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more. This hotel in Pigeon Forge TN also is corporate traveler friendly, offering additional conveniences like access to copy and fax services. All spacious guest rooms feature private balconies, microwaves, refrigerators, coffee makers, irons, ironing boards, safes and cable television with HBO. In addition to standard amenities, suites have fireplaces, 2-person whirlpool bathtubs and queen sofa sleepers. Honeymoon suites have beautiful mountain views, fireplaces and hot tubs. A change is in the air. The hotel invites guests to come and experience the 100% smoke-free environment. Laundry facilities are located on the property for added guest convenience. The hotel also provides easy access for motor coach parking. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.